Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you are signed into the console and Mlb the Show online services. This enables community stadium sharing. Once done, open Stadium Creator or Community Creations and pick Create or Browse. You should save and publish any stadium you made so it appears publicly. Make sure uploads are allowed and local storage is free. These initial permissions are why downloads and transfers work. Now proceed to search and filter the community list to find public stadiums available for download. You locate the stadium you want using filters like most downloaded, new, or specific creator tags. That narrows results quickly. After selecting a stadium, view its details and choose download or subscribe to add it to your library. Subscribing keeps updates synced. Once downloaded, go into the game mode you plan to use, Franchise, Diamond Dynasty, or Custom Park, and install or assign the stadium from your downloaded stadiums list. This step places the created venue into active gameplay. You finish by assigning the downloaded stadium as your home park and adjusting lighting, scoreboard, and seating settings so visuals match your intent. Once assigned, test it in an exhibition game to confirm camera angles, collision, and seating render correctly. Make incremental tweaks if needed. If the stadium does not appear or textures are missing, force a cloud sync, restart the game, or re-download the stadium file. These fixes resolve most version or sync conflicts and get you back into play quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.